Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You know this 97 Toyota 4Runner 4-wheel drive from many videos on this channel because the owner always brought it to me, always let me work on it. We filmed many videos. It got in a little accident and it got hurt. Look what happened in the front. Apparently end up a little bit in the ditch. So this is from outside, just here in the parking lot. Also, let's have a really quick look inside. And that's the mayhem. Both airbags unfortunately blown. But let's take her in the shop and have a closer look on the damages. It has approximately 257,000 miles on the odometer. None of these damages happened in the back. This is from past, that little dent. All the gaps on this side are okay. You remember it has these BF Goodrich all-terrains, pretty good tire. I can imagine they are very expensive. I remember I made video about those ones long time ago. And this is the damage on the front. This fender, it's pulled a little bit. That could be saved theoretically, depending what somebody will do with it. This gap, it's slightly getting bigger on the bottom. I believe he replaced the windshield. Other than that, it seems to be clean. Let me open the hood. You are familiar with this place because, as I said, we made a lot of videos here. Engine is taken care of. I did for him timing belt, valve covers, everything was done on this. It just that damaged right here, and we will put it on the lift. Why am I filming it? Well, there's a story. He obviously contacted his insurance and they said they will total it, but offered him some joke money, like $1,500 for the whole thing. And there's a lot of extra stuff on it. The lift, it's 3 in back and 2.5 in front, I believe. We will see it on the bottom. There is also diff drop, which the front diff drop kit on it, which we filmed. So he was not happy with it, and then he got estimate for repairs, and these are not including the airbags which are blown. That will be completely different story. Of course, you have to use the used ones from the wrecking yard, or simply used, because the brand new ones will be just insanely expensive from Toyota. So once again, nothing really bad here. This part is slightly pushed in, but the engine runs perfectly. There's not even any damage to radiator. It's not dripping anything. Let's go look together under. So that estimate for repair from the company who went through it was $3,600. They were talking a lot about this fender. You can see it's wrinkled there, but they also mentioned pulling frame. They didn't explain why. These front rails, both of them, seems to be okay, but maybe they took some measurements. I don't know how they estimated it when they didn't remove all this broken stuff, but maybe they have their own methods. Why am I filming it? Well, I want you to tell me what this is worth. What is this truck, 97 4Runner with, let's say, 250,000 miles? These tires, these lifts, these upgrades, what is it worth? Is it worth fixing it up? buying front bumper or putting the custom one, tapping out these wrinkled areas right here to fit the headlight correctly, even reusing this fender, maybe painting it forest green, who knows. I have no idea. It still has a normal title. It wasn't salvaged. The owner's trying to figure out what to do with it. The problem here is that steering, you can see it how it's supposed to be, that got bent upwards. So these bolts supposed to be going horizontally, and this only area is bent upwards, and that causes the steering boot touching the sway bar. You can see how it's supposed to be on the other side. So it's all bent here, and therefore that tie rod end is pulling on that wheel incorrectly, and you have to turn the steering wheel weirdly. Other than that, if you look around, all the bottom A arms, the lower arms, everything seems to be totally untouched, straight. There's no damages going backwards, as I mentioned before. It's a 4-wheel drive machine. So what do you think? Can you tell me what is this worth? I have removed that completely destroyed bumper. That is complete garbage. That's worth nothing. And you should see how it is coming along. I think in like 1 hour I will have it ready for the new owner. This is really changing that whole front. If you are careful with this, it's really changing the shape. Right here, look at it. It's amazing how much work you can do with the sliding hammer. It's unbelievable. I will show you the results in just a second. More and more I work on it, more and more I like it. I'm not sure what my wife will do with me if I say, hey, I bought another project. She'll say, hey, first finish this one, right? And she will be correct. So, but for real, look at it. Just a little bit of action. Look at it. When you close the hood, the body is almost perfect here. It's totally, what is this? That's a canvas for a painter. That's a millions of possibilities for someone who wants to put the custom front push bar or something. Just weld chunk of a big steel on the front, finish the lights, and you are a road worthy in this 97 4Runner. So please let me know what do you think. Is it worth anything? There must be some expert out there who can give us the correct opinion. Is it all good? Ah, battery is low. I forgot about that. I will have it here in the shop over the weekend, storing it for a friend. And I will be having a wilder dreams at home about buying it. And my wife getting rid of me, I guess. Here we go. Boom! You will see. This is a really good booster. Let's go for a ride. It's all fixed. Oh yeah. You taco owners and 4Runner owners, you know this music, right? 4-liter V6. It's exactly how they sound. Running like a Swiss watch. Absolutely perfect. Can I close the hood with one hand only? Wow, that must be making you dizzy. Now it's resting on my head. Now we can close it. Look at it. Beauty. Let's go and see if it's really fixed and ready for new owner. Who's the new owner? Well, we don't know. What's the mileage? 256 688. There is some extra stereo. It's a 4-wheel drive, right? Automatic. It has a alarm system even, which is pain because when the battery goes dead it starts getting crazy when you hook it back. You see, nothing happened to the engine. There is a different off-roading machine right there. Do you see those wheels? What did I say? It's like 42s or something. These tires. That's crazy. But let's go back to our 4Runner. Poor baby got in an accident, but look. It's totally going as usually. I will just go for a short spin around here. Because that one wheel it's completely off, right? Do you see how I'm driving straight? It's because the damage we looked together at, but yep. That lift makes it completely feeling different. It's more soft. Right, this is cool truck. Not sure. I have to buy that. I don't know. And that's all from me for you, from my shop. I better wrap it up and go home. It's Friday evening. What is it? Yep, almost 6 p.m. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I will catch you in next video. See ya.